everybody, Zodiac Leader 635 here. Just wanna show you all my Super Astronaut by Horikawa. Finally, he spins and works. Sadly, the chest doors don't open like they should, but it doesn't really matter. Now he can walk and spin. He's kinda corked. It's kinda corked, I don't know why. It's pretty much because of the legs, but yeah, so I repainted this part from silver. Here's the chest, and now he can spin. Yeah, he can rotate 360 degrees. Let me show you. I also modified some stuff about him. Now he has a small switch here, which is perfectly fitting. And when you open the back, he has only a 2 AA battery, which here are AAAs, but it doesn't really matter. A 2 AA battery part, because the other ones made like a pretty bad contact. So let's see if Super Astronaut wants to go. Yep, I'm starting to, what's that? Oh, this, as I told you guys, the batteries are AAA, so they can fall very easily. So, I'm starting to love vintage robots pretty much. Another thing I had to say that I didn't say before, I rewired the second Saturn I ever got, so let me just... I really like how he spins. Basically, he has like a loose part, and that didn't. But now he is ready for another fight. I'm so happy I have a 1962 robot in working condition, because robots from that age shouldn't really work. As far as I know, I've seen really rusted robots like this, and that no longer really serve. I've seen Saturns that are, Saturns are newer, but they are all fucked up, and my Saturns are really working, except this one. This one actually cannot move the arms because of the plastic pieces. I did a modification as well in Robot Fighter. Now he has a better mechanism. I took apart every single of the Zodiac leaders and made a small, the leading robots, which are this one, and this one, yeah. I made like a modification because they didn't really spin well. They cracked if you stop them with the hand. Well, I just got like a gear for the bars, like for the axis, to be straight, so now they will never do that again. So, as well, a small update. Beat Magnum Mexico, Beat Magnum English, Brave Robot, Iron Man, Spider-Man, Captain America, Interstellar Combatant, the first one I got, V1, Interstellar Combatant, which I think it's a Beat Magnum. It's like exactly the same one, but with another chest drawing. It's like Interstellar Combatant V2. Mechanism Warfare, Combat Hero, Buzz Lightyear, Maneki Neko, you guys know. I got this one to blow up. Well, I fixed him, yeah, so no anger. The only thing that I got with some patterns is this doll here. Oh my gosh. So this is basically what happens when something fails and you're like, oh Jesus Christ. And look at the cap. Oh my God. Still, it's complete, so I don't really think I did much bad thing. Some blushes for repair, Astronaut. So, as I was saying, Universal Fighter 6, which it's been pretty long I don't try him. I should do a video of him. Same with this one, same with Metal Fighter. Amazing Robot, not really much. E-Fighter, yeah, I should modify him. Yeah, just because of the stupid circuit board. He has like the crazy frog circuit board. Android, I think he has batteries in. no. Inteligencia, which has been really long I don't try him. Future Fighters King, almost new version. Zorak leading robot blue, leading robot red. Soitan, which is inside there. Fighting robot, and my newest addition to the shelves, which are plushes. Yeah. Duracell Bunny, Tigger V1, Tigger V2. He has been repaired, so. Frog, Dancing, Flappy Dog. How's it called? Lovely Cow, Dancing Frog, Samantha, and these two walkers, yeah. And this is my wind-up Tin Monkey, I love it. And Super Mega Heavy Metal Fighter V2 Space, which I'm going to change the edge with this one. This is going to be really cool. Some scrap here, plushes and shit, more plushes that I have to fix, more plushes that I have to fix, more... Dead dog. Oh my gosh! Okay, and most of robotics. Yep. Oh, as well, I do small update in where I get the stuff, and the small robots will be going up here. I mean, here. Yep. Just in the uppest part of the closet. This is the uppest part, but it's like the uppest part of the lower part. So. Like this one, this one, this one. Universal Fighter 4, Amazing Robot, Distortion, Fake Wing Fighter, Mars, another Mars, Angel Step It, Dancing Robot, another Dancer, RoboQuad Mini, oh boy. And well, here are some classic robots, like the combat robot. That's the one that says "Don't drop the gun." That's the one that says, that sings "Sister, Sister." I remember in the past. Yeah, I love that song. So stupid, but I love it. By the way, I actually should try the robot, shouldn't I? Just because I like it, pretty much. So as soon as I finish with this, I'm gonna try him. So, for you guys to know, I did a couple updates. I received shit for Christmas, no kidding. A stupid screwdriver set and money. That's not, sorry, but that's not something you should give to a toy collector. So that's very lame. So I'm going to go tomorrow and buy some stuff. So, yep, this has been Zorak Leader, Ivan Morale. Thank you for watching, and oh, this goes especially for Dio Damar, which is from Indonesia. Here are some of my dinosaurs. Yeah, like dinosaur, the annoying T-Rex and Dinosaur World. Epoch. Then inside here I have scrap dinosaurs which are broken. Yeah, I have no nice. Then back here I have Dinosaur World, the one that has a lot of LEDs and stuff, that one. So that was all the stuff. And alright, so you recently posted a pic of this one, which is Amazing Robot. Shit, you can see it. Here it is. Great. This one, Amazing Robot. This is called Amazing Robot. It's not called Universal Fighter. I know, because this is the Universal Fighter, and it's totally different. Yeah, it's like twisted difference. So I guess that's all the stuff, and again, thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe, like the video, and more shitty stuff that will make you happy, and myself also happy. So, thanks for watching, and I'll leave you with Super Astronaut by Horikawa. Super Toy Robot. Yeah. Go. Drop your weapon, fire.